Hello and welcome to Sourav Bhattacharyya official. I am delighted to announce that I will be posting a series of tutorial videos on generative AI. In this tutorial, we will explore not only the theoretical aspect of the generative AI, but also dive deep into practical projects to solidify our understanding. So, truly grasp the concept of generative AI, it's essential to have a foundational knowledge of artificial intelligence. Today, we are exploring the incredible world of artificial intelligence or AI. We will discuss its objectives and dive into how it's transforming various industries, from healthcare to entertainment. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence or AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. AI systems use algorithms and large datasets to make decisions, recognize patterns, and predict outcomes. But what are the key objectives of the AI? AI's primary objectives include automating repetitive and mundane tasks, enhance decision-making process with data-driven insight, creating personalized experiences for users, enabling new capabilities and innovations. Now, let's look at how AI is being applied across different industries. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy. AI-powered robot assists in surgeries, making procedures less invasive and more precise. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, risk management, and personalized finance advice. AI algorithms analyze transaction patterns to identify fraudulent activities and provide insight for better investment decisions. In retail, AI enhances customer experience through personalized recommendation and efficient supply chain management. AI-powered chatbot assists customers. In transportation, AI is at the heart of autonomous vehicles, improving safety and efficiency. AI system manages traffic flow, reduce accidents, and enhance public transportation service. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots perform complex tasks with precision and consistency. Predictive maintenance powered by AI reduces downtime and increases productivity. In entertainment, AI curates personalized content recommendations, enhancing user experiences. AI also powers special effects in movies and create realistic video games. In education, AI offers personalized learning experiences with tutoring. AI-driven tools adapt to individual learning style, helping students grasp concepts more effectively. In agriculture, AI optimizes crop yielding and reduces wages. Drones equipped with AI monitor crop health, while predictive analytics guide planting and harvesting schedules. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots provides instant support and resolve common queries. This enhances customer satisfaction and frees up human agents for more complex issues. These are just a few examples of how AI is transforming industries. The possibilities are endless, and as technology continues to evolve, we will see even more innovative applications. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the world of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights. And let me know in the comments which AI application are you most excited about. See you next time.